We'll do a little walk around today. It don't always look like this. I just washed it. She's fresh. So anyway, I run 53 tooth dirt trick sprocket. I believe it's an EK gold chain. Dirt Tricks front sprocket, V-Force reeds. This is Lightspeed carbon fiber case guard. Let me turn the gas off. Forgot to turn the gas off. Let's do that. I run those lines out the back for when I'm wheeling, so I don't get gas from the overflow from the carb all over my tire, sprocket. Especially dangerous if you get it on the rear brake. Anyway, so homegrown titanium on the back. FMF pipe. Shorty with the Gold Series fatty on there. I polished my brake, back brake pedal, I guess you call it. That's just a Rockstar cam that I double-sided tape on there. Cut it and double-sided tape. What else? Shinko SR712F rear tire. I had an Avon on before that. I like the Avon better. And this Shinko looks like it's already trying to dry rot a little tiny bit. Stock rotor, Enduro rear brake pads, just some Chinese front eBay pads on the front. And I've had those for a while. Probably need some new ones. Let's see, what else? I do run no spring on my back brake. I believe it was 2-stroke J out there I saw when I was learning wheelies, said that a lot of the stunt guys don't run springs on their back brake pedal, so I don't know. I wanted to be like all the stunt guys. I wanted to be good. So I took mine off, and I've been running it like that ever since. Couple dings on the pipe, no holes though, I don't think. Just put the brand new white ODI grips on there. They look pretty clean. Kind of too bright for the bike, but they look nice. I like them. $241.4. I do pistons probably every, heck, I don't know. This piston's probably got about 40 hours on it. I run Caster 927 oil, 93 octane gas from Murphy's, 93 octane gas, ethanol free from Murphy's. I don't know, I'm weird. I always go to the same pump, same stuff. A Turbis, whatever, chain guide. If you guys ever need to replate a cylinder, that's who I used. I've used them at least twice, and they are awesome. Very awesome. Those are the jets I got in the bike, JD Jetting. They have an awesome jet kit. Those are the Amazon lights. Let's cut the lights on. So I just got those on Amazon and ran my wires and super glued them on there. Amazing how straight the bike still is. I guess it's a little crooked, but for as many times as I've looped and wrecked this thing, it's amazing. And these bars, I don't remember what they are. I think Carmichael bend is what I run. That's the front light. It's only half working now. That happened not long after I put it on. It's just a Harbor Freight light. But it definitely lights up the road enough for you to see and everything at nighttime. This is the Pro Taper Pro clutch lever, something like that. It's awesome. Super easy pull. Love it. Kind of a view of what I see. Cockpit area.